Hey y'all, hey, Amanda here, and today we are going to film my Kinder Beauty box unboxing. But before we get started, I am wearing a couple of products I wanted to mention to you guys. On my cheeks, I have the Medusa's Makeup Sweet Cheeks in Pinky Swear blush, and I think it's fabulous. I really like this color, and I literally just barely tapped the brush on and got that much payoff, so that's kind of crazy. Really, really beautiful. On my lips, I have Disco Queen Extreme Sparkle Lip Gloss in Funky Town, which is also very cute, but maybe does not go with the blush all that well. I'm going to take this off, and then I want to show you guys this other lipstick I haven't shown you yet, the Muddy Waters Medusa's Makeup Lipstick. So here is Muddy Waters. I thought it would be browner. I'm not sure why about that, but it actually is a little like gray leaning, I think, but it is definitely 100% a purple, and it's not for me. I think this could look amazing on people, and actually I don't think it looks that bad on me, but I just know I'm not going to reach for this. I would rather wear straight up black lipstick than this more blue leaning one. I think it's more flattering on my particular skin tone, so I am going to give this away to a friend, but I do think this is an interesting color. Okay, now that we're done with all the try-ons, I am going to go ahead and open this month's box. So of course we have the card telling you to go online to look up the information for each product. So I'm going to pull that up. I still think this is silly. There's plenty enough room on this double-sided card to put all the information about each product you could possibly need. Okay, so the first item we have here is from Province Apothecary, and this is the moisturizing oil cleanser and makeup remover. It's got avocado and raspberry in it. So always happy to get a new makeup remover and try out a new one. I am pretty loyal to my Drunk Elephant one, but it's always fun to try something new. And also, since it's a cleanser, I'm not really concerned about the ingredients. So this is a $22 value, and the description says, level up your nightly routine with Province Apothecary Moisturizing Oil Cleanser and Makeup Remover. Packed with antioxidants and vitamins A, E, and omega-3, this organic cleansing oil can be used daily without disrupting your skin's pH. Suitable for all skin types, including acne-prone. It's pure plant magic that won't clog pores, dry, or irritate. So I'm pretty pleased with that. This is definitely something I'll use. So, 1 for 1 so far. The next item we have are the EviOSkin Hydrogel Eye Therapy like eye mask thingies. I actually got these in the K&D box, so this is an item they're repeating in both boxes, which I think is not cool. Obviously, if you are a fan of the brand and you get both boxes, you're now getting double the items, which I did like them, so I don't mind that I'm getting double. I just wish there was a little bit of diversity between the two boxes. That said, I did use it this morning and I did like them, so I will be using these. These are a $18 value. It is a 6 set, and it says awaken your eyes to a new day with Evio Hydrogel Eye Therapy Pink Perspective. More than just eye therapy, it's a mini spa session crafted specially for your under eyes. Transform tired eyes with super hydrating hyaluronic acid and collagen boosting hydrogel powers. It's not just about banishing puffiness, it's about greeting each day with a refreshed, optimistic outlook. Okay, it's a little bit of a stretch. A dash of self-care, a sprinkle of self-love, and a burst of confidence to empower. What a raw description, but yeah, I like these. I will be using them. Not mad about it. The next item we're getting is a face mask. It looks like this is a sheet mask. The Symbiosis London R plus HI. It's a rose plus hibiscus. Nutrient-rich bamboo treatment facial mask. Such a rich pink, and it is just a sheet mask, it looks like. So I like sheet masks, excited to get that. This is a $9.99 value. It says it was a $25 value. It's gonna cross out through that, so I guess it's on sale. But if you're paying $25 for one mask, that's a little insane, just saying. The description says wrap your skin in petals in the petal soft embrace of the nutrient-rich bamboo treatment mask from Symbiosis London, infused with Damascus rose to brighten and hibiscus to calm. This bamboo mask whispers away impurities and coaxes your natural glow. Revel in a complexion that's not just cleansed, but protected, nourished, and blooming with radiance. So while I think an original value of $25 is a little insane, I think $10 is still a little insane for one mask. I will be using this, so not bad. Not the most exciting, but not bad. The next item in the box is like this milky liquid. This is from Pure Am. This is the pH Balance Calming Toner. So with anything, we need to look at the ingredients if it goes on the face. It doesn't look like the ingredients are printed on the packaging itself, so I'm going to have to look at the online listing. So let's go ahead and read the description before we do that. Embrace serenity for your skin with Pure Am's Calming Toner. Infused with triple hyaluronic acid, vegan ceramides, and organic cica. It's a hydrating haven in a bottle. Brighten and tone with the zest of organic yuzu, while cica complex soothes your skin to its happy place. What is cica complex? It's hard to say. It's not just a toner. It's your daily dose of calm, $19 value. So zest of yuzu does have me a little concerned, but let's read the ingredients and we'll see what's going on here. So it does not appear that there are any fragrant oils in this, but there is the second ingredient, citrus fruit water, which makes me concerned that's a really high up there ingredient. So I don't know about this. I feel like citrus water is probably going to be just as irritating as citrus oil if the fruit or the zest has been infused in the water, if that makes any sense. I'm not sure how to feel about that. Part of me wants to take the thing off, the seal off, and smell it, but then part of me is like, why even bother? I should just give it away. I don't know. I'm gonna smell it. I want to smell it. Okay, so I did give it a sniff. It is lightly fragrant. I think I'm just going to avoid that altogether. I'm going to give this away to a friend who I think actually probably like this. So, meh. Not the greatest, but 3 products so far I have liked. So, it's not the worst so far. And then our last item is from Wander Beauty. This is the Double Date Eyeshadow Duo. And it looks like we're getting the colors Swoon and Smitten. These are a $19.99 value. The description says, double the hues, double the fun with the Wander Beauty Eyeshadow Duo in Smitten and Swoon. A cream base primes your lids while the satin shimmer dances on top, offering depth and dimension with a fingertips ease. On the go glam has never been simpler thanks to the built-in mirror. Swipe, shimmer, and be stunning. I didn't realize one of these was a cream. That's actually very interesting. I wonder which is which. Swoon is the cream. Swoon is the darker one. Smitten is the shimmer. So let's see. There is a Swoon and it's got the mirror. Let's get a good swatch of that. Oh, that's gorgeous. This would be a beautiful one color lid. And then Smitten. Smitten, that one does not have the mirror. It's just below. This is a really creamy powder too. So here's what that looks like separately. Really beautiful. Now I'm going to put it on top of part of Swoon, so you can see what they look like layered, although I'd probably use a brush. It kind of gives you an idea. It just makes it sort of metallic. We get a little more. Yeah, mutes the color a little and makes it a bit metallic. It's actually really beautiful. I'm super impressed with this little eyeshadow duo. I would absolutely travel with this. These colors are gorgeous. I could easily see this working for day and night too, so you don't only have to travel with one eyeshadow product, which works for me because I hate taking a million makeup things. I hardly ever take makeup when I travel. or I hardly ever use it. I always take it, hardly use it. So this would be perfect for easy travel. Okay, so I liked 4 out of the 5 products, even though I'm a little disappointed with this double up from a box from the same company. Let's be real. And then that this mask is so expensive and treated as its own item. It's kind of silly. But overall, I am very happy with 4 of the 5 products. So it's not the worst box. Even this isn't like the worst. It's not something I'm going to use. So I'm going to go ahead and give it like a B+ and A-. I'm not over the moon, but I am actually going to practically use most of the items. So not a bad box at all. Not the worst way to end the year for Kinder Beauty. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, you can give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, you can leave them down below. If you'd like to stick around for a while, you can hit the subscribe button, and otherwise, I will talk to you all later. Bye!